All right, we're looking at number 10. It's got which expression is equivalent to 42 divided by negative 4 minus 3. So we already know when we've got negative 4 minus 3, that's the same as saying negative 4 plus a negative 3. And because we have the opportunity with addition to flip our numbers, we could also say negative 3 plus a negative 4. Well, the way we wrote negative 4 minus 3 up here, we could also write that down here. We just got rid of our plus sign. So we can also write negative 3 minus 4. So when we're looking over here, they didn't mess with our 42. Number A is wrong because they wrote 43, but it's supposed to be 42 anyway. But it would be extra wrong because when we divide, that would be saying something along the lines of negative 7 divided by 42 rather than 42 divided by a negative 7. And that would mean that we're putting 7 inside, negative 7 inside of the house and 42 on the outside. So A is incorrect. If you look at B, that's saying our 3 is positive 3 minus a negative 4. But we've already figured out it's supposed to be a negative 3, so that can't work either. If we look at C, 42 divided by a negative 3 minus 4, that matches what we wrote, so I'm going to put a pin in it, and I'll come back. 42 divided by a negative 4 minus 42 divided by 3. We have an extra 42 in here, number 1, so that is confusing, but overall it makes it wrong. So our answer is C. Okay, I want to cover some of the answers on the back. All right. Chef Cal bought 3 pounds of turkey. Also, make sure that you are definitely putting your work on here because that's so important to me that you can show your work. Otherwise, I don't know that you didn't just guess on this entire paper. So Chef Cal bought 3 pounds of turkey for 99 cents. I realize that's a typo. I fixed it already in the last video. But if you're just now watching this, it's supposed to be 99 cents per pound. 3 pounds of cheese for $1.52 per pound, and 3 loaves of wheat bread for $1.46 each. Chef Cal wrote the expression below to find his total for the items. Now, I've already talked to you about this in the last video, but when we're looking at these, 3 times 99 cents could also be written as 99 cents times 3. It could also be written as the actual answer of 3 times 0.99. So if we move that over twice. So 9 times 3 is 27. Hold our 2. 9 times 3 is 27. 28, 29. So we end up with 297. That's 3 ways we can represent this number. So we're going to look through, and we're also trying to find which expression is not equivalent to Chef Cal's expression. All right, so do we have 3 multiplied by 0.99 or 0.99 multiplied by 3 in A? We do. Do we have added $1.52 multiplied by 3? Yep. Do we have $1.46 multiplied by 3? We do. So it's not A because we're looking for what's not equivalent. All right, if we're looking at B, we have 3 multiplied by $1.46, got it. 3 multiplied by $1.52, got it. And 3 multiplied by 99 cents, got it. All right, I can already tell by looking at this, they've multiplied our 99 cents, our $1.52, and $1.46. And so that's not going to be right either. We have our 297. If we were to work all these out, we'd figure out that D would be also a way to show it, and so we would say C is our correct answer. All right, guys, I'm going to figure out the rest one in just a second.